Welcome to the Partner Quick Start Guide. In this 6th video tutorial, we'll show you how to begin mapping and analyzing your networks using the Partner platform. First, make sure that you have data ready to analyze. If you haven't finished collecting your data yet, locate the Sandbox Data project from your home page and click the Analysis sub-option. If you do have data ready, open up that project and click Analyze in the project menu at the top. There are 4 main ways to analyze your data using the Network Analyzer. First, you can use the Network Mapper to visualize relational data and network maps. Second, you can use the GIS Mapper to create geographical network maps. Third, you can view network raw data scores. Fourth, you can create charts and graphs of your network data. On the left side of the screen are your mapping and analysis controls. The Data Settings panel allows you to manage which questions you're analyzing. The Network Mapper allows you to layer the results of relational and non-relational data to find more insights. For example, you can create a map of network trust and then identify where your facilitators are to determine if they can be connected to areas of low trust. You can also visualize attributes on these maps by coloring nodes. Click on a node to view its Ego network specifically. Your Filter panel on the left allows you to filter out network members using attributes or physical address information. The Settings panel allows you to change how the map is displayed. You can edit the way the nodes and lines appear and are colored, spaced, or sized. Lastly, you can take an instant snapshot of any network map with a transparent background using the Snapshot button at the bottom of the panel. On the GIS mapping page, you can control map base layers using the Geographic Data panel on the left. We provide several base layers to start with, or you can upload your own. On the Charts and Graphs page, you can use the Data Settings and Visual Settings to create tables, charts, and graphs of your non-relational network data. On the Network Scores page, you can view your raw data in several ways and export it using the Export Data button at the top of the screen. This is all just the beginning when it comes to analyzing and mapping data in Partner. For more resources about this step, visit our Learning Lab or Network Leadership Resource Library.